The US-China trade war just took another turn. Tariffs are rising, tension is escalating, but now there's a hint of something unexpected. A possible return to the negotiation table. So, are we about to see a truce, or is this just another bluff? Let's break down what happened this week and what it could mean for the global economy. Earlier this week, the US government announced a fresh wave of tariffs, raising duties on hundreds of Chinese imports, some up to 145%. This comes on top of recent changes that removed duty exemptions for items under 800, which hit small businesses and consumers hard. President Trump claimed this move is necessary to correct the imbalance, but the economic ripple effect has already begun. Prices are rising, supply chains are tightening, and market volatility is increasing. In response, China announced its own retaliatory tariffs up to 125% on selected US goods. But here's where it gets interesting. Just yesterday, China's Ministry of Commerce confirmed that it is evaluating a new trade offer from the US. That's a big shift from weeks of silence. While Trump says talks have already begun, Chinese officials emphasize that any negotiation must be based on mutual respect and equality. In short, they're open to talks, but not on America's terms. As soon as the news hit, markets responded. Asian currencies rallied. The Taiwanese stock index jumped to 0.7%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.6%. Investors are hopeful that the threat of prolonged tariffs might be easing. But they're not fully convinced. Why? Because we've been here before. Announcements, denials, bluffs, it's all part of the playbook. So what should you take away from this? When China says it's evaluating a proposal, it's not a confirmation. And when Trump says talks have started, that doesn't guarantee resolution. But what this moment does signal is that both sides are feeling the pressure. From inflation to political backlash, either the US nor China can afford to let this war drag on forever. If you're watching global markets, this is the inflection point. The next move could either de-escalate the trade war or push it into a new, more unpredictable phase. What do you think? Will the US and China really sit down and make a deal this time? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world economic breakdowns every week here on Realconomy Brief.